College pun di Fibro session part teh akan video tentang ni apa ya result jungki post kepada apa ka MEECL Meklia Energy Corporation Limited. The following candidate in order of merit are declared to have passed in the personal interview conducted in Meklia Energy Corporation Limited on the 13 May 2025 for recruitment to the post of field engineer, field supervisor on contractual basis in the Meklia Energy Corporation Limited. Kini jong field engineer civil but field supervisor. Name of candidate Mevan Phira Marbanyang, Giovanni Donovan War, Dayan Kimaner, Stevenson Rani, Dauru Wanhi Talang, Salgras H Marak, Nasar di Sangma, Kemenlang Kharbuli Marak, Klinsman di Shira, Tibiajit Hajong. Ini de jong field engineer dan field supervisor. Darilang Marwen, Omeka Warjeri, Tang Mebari, Gabriel Khasentiu, Rishanwel Khongshun, Bansara Noshli, Tenya Salme CH Marak, Reini Pringchi CH Marak, Chuangte Vega M Sangma, but Griksang S Marak. The inclusion of the name in the list shall not confer the right to candidate to claim for appointment unless the appointing authority is satisfied after such inquiry or may be considered necessary. Suitable candidates are suitable in all respect. Okay. Tegine de jongka field engineer but field supervisor nanang don biang. Kene pada de jongka field supervisor electrical but mechanical kategori de jongka civil. The following candidate in order of merit are declared to have passed a personal interview conducted by Meklia Energy Corporation on the 14 and 15 May recruitment to the post of field supervisor electrical mechanical on contractual basis in the Meklia Energy Corporation Limited. Tikini gipun hai candidate adu Sanpo Saungut. Dari hun sokmi lanyo kor klep winning star kharbitiu Ferlisha Kharpuri RC Dora Rapsang Matelang Pinggrup Malcolm Spencer Potam Nathaniel Lalu Man Kerpang Senteng Nong Dahar Wike Sentatiang Silme Ke Sangma Penkemen Lang Maulong Christine Dori Kharlingda Shai Borlang Nongrum Ja Bhibat di Sangma Basiudor Karngi Nazarin Sindor Kalmius Mertong Jenner Warrior Mumin Kitbok Lang Tanggiu Ringkat Imonwar Julius Kharlingda Manprang Kenneth Sun Marki Khongshay Tering di Mumin Iban Sara Kharmudai Nitayu Susngi. Dan nomor ofra Kit Kupar Bhamauri Ferdinand Lingdo Skembolang Nadon Devik Jesen Kesangma Man Bhalang Kinjeri Pascal Kurba Defender Dhar Herman Yauram Martibat Enareng Abango Kariso T Sangma Chesri M Momin Tangkham Sech Momin Dodame M Marak No Ame CH Marak Sakuntala Ji Momin Balseng Raksam Marak Krim Chang Ji Momin Melkisbat Arsangma Nikringchi Terabal Armarak Yuwanki Armarak Blaster and Sangma Ripamchi Leoredoji Momin Tengsang Armarak No Rikme Sechmarak No Gambi E Sangma Mira Rabha Bat Bapon Hajong Borok Gilong Sanpo Saungut. Kini kibala pass ya ka personal interview mo to have passed the personal interview. Tenang daun biang saka field engineer jong electrical and mechanical hi kinero kidan hadu san punyong godei kiba lapas namtaka personal interview rangba sungo Mauricio Leon Delano Shadap Dapyung sungo Michelle Mukim Kaspar Sengshai Venetia Evelyn Pale Edi Nisan Enmarak Johnny Bon Roy Shella John Dandrix H. Mumin, Latei Boklang Nengdo, Ram Shilla, Lapensuk Thaba, Tingkailin El Nongrum, Shan Miki Padit, Melvinus Kelingkoi, Running Star Jana, Buddhay Suk Sucian, Masya Prang Jana, Ejidio Bahabok Thongniba, Sandana Armarak, Banrais Kemlin Dokenshi, Dawat Bnek Ramde, Ilakantu Shulai, Bandri Syakur Kalang, Bon Jowi Pasleng, Wanlang Lakuna, Heimon Mi Amklu, Tiang Tihun Bla, Andrew Rani, and Ariston Shabong, Neikini Bthu, Buban Coach, Glarison, Thongni, Raymond Nongkla, Walsengs H. Marak, Rickward and Marak, Prinya Armarak, Timesa M. Sangma, Salgrak Armarak, Senggrang Rik di Sangma, Rik Duang di Marak, Raguel Armarak, Danbi Asimo di Momen, Dinko di Shira, Salgrang M Marak, Sengku N Marak, Teman Ji Momen, Azrael Gabil Momen, Silman B Marak, Jitu Hajong, Mighty Beras H Marak, Adios, Chengsam Agitok Sangma, Laira Blue Smith B Marak, Rixil Chi B Sangma, Aya Me M Sangma, Malcolm Marak, Bat Projoni Coach. Tegine ya kregi balapas ya kapas nendru te hangne lightly kata kowe yang civil kini de jong ka electrical but mechanical te tangine higi jeng petip kulish wan